Ah! Alright, let's do this. Welcome back, viewers. It's Thursday, March 21st. I'm your host, Griz, and I lied about my external mic. It's not here yet. Pardon the crappy sound for this final episode. UPS man will be here any day. Can't wait. Sean Palmer did not answer his phone today. I'd love to have an update on the old man and see what he's up to, but he's elusive. The Taipei bike show is happening this week, which means companies are unveiling their product for 2014, and B-Team Bros are actively putting together their 2014 wish list of free shit, bro. Public service announcement. Follow I Get Free Shit Bro on Instagram. It's a great laugh. On Monday, we covered some race results, including Pro GRT number 1. Well, I'd like to rehash Pro GRT number 1 a little bit. This time about the Groms. Cole Pochettino placed first and Luca Cometti second. Both Cole and Luca, had they been racing in the Pro Men's class, would have been on the top 10 fringe bubble, right around 11th and 12th place. Now these Groms are really actively proving themselves. They're doing the right things, they're being professionally trained, they've got the support, their diets are pretty clean, their lifestyle is clean. But where are they getting their intensity? Well, I've got the answer. You think I'm kidding? Imagine if Bruce Lee and Evel Knievel made a love child. That's what this guy is like. I mean, the American Groms have a true secret weapon. He goes by the identity of the JackHammer. This guy's intense. He's got a European MMA background. Do you know how many Frenchies he's made cry?
Boy, come on now. That ain't how we do mountain bike training. Get up from that. Move out of the way, move out of the way, move out of the way. Woo! Here's how we do it. Give me them handlebars. Woo! Here we go. Woo! Here we go. We're going to start doing some pull-ups. Here we go. We got the handlebars out. Ooh! Start out nice and easy. And now we're going to kick it in mountain bike gear. Greg Miller, where you at, boy? One mountain bike train, here we go. Oh, up on the ball. Start nice and easy, nice and easy. Here we go, and then let's turn it up, and let's do some mountain bike train. Here we go. Fast, Tinson, here we go. Tinson, whoa. Mountain bike training. So all this training, all it's going to do is just get you on the pose. That way you can start spraying Mr. Aaron Glenn in the face. We got number 1, you suck.
Mind-blowing, right? Ladies and gentlemen, that's the JackHammer. You have no idea how lucky you are to have seen that. This fellow does not allow anyone to film him. Now, if you're curious, you can approach the JackHammer for lessons. He will approach you. Before we leave you, I just want to give a big shout out to love. Without it, we'd all be dead. For Decline Magazine, I'm Griz, and remember that blood stains, speed kills.